Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss EMF equation of a transformer. Let N1 is equal to number of turns in primary, N2 is equal to number of turns in secondary. Phi m represent maximum flux in the core, unit is Weber. It is further divided into Bm into A. Bm represent maximum flux density in the core and A represent core area. F represent frequency of AC, unit hertz. डायग्राम देखिए, ये एक साइनोसाइडल वेव है जिसमें y एक्सिस में फ्लक्स रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है और x एक्सिस में टाइम रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है। फ्लक्स की वैल्यू मैक्सिमम कब हो रही है, कौन से टाइम इंटरवल में, t/4 टाइम इंटरवल में। तो since the flux increases from its zero value to maximum value phi m in 1/4 of a cycle, that means in t/4 seconds or 1/4f seconds, t being time period of the cycle। अब हम एवरेज रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ फ्लक्स निकालेंगे जिसको हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे phi m बाई 1/4f से। उसको फर्दर रिजॉल्व जब करेंगे तो वो आएगा 4f phi max, यूनिट वेबर पर सेकेंड और वोल्ट। इफ फ्लक्स phi varies sinusoidally, then RMS root mean square value of induced EMF is obtained by multiplying the average value with form factor. Form factor equate 1.11. Here we have a formula from form factor is equal to RMS value by average value. Now for getting RMS value, we multiply 1.11 with average rate of change of flux. We will get 4.44 F phi max volt. Now RMS value of induced EMF in whole of primary winding. Now we are deriving it for primary side as well as secondary side. Now for EMF equation for primary side, we will get E1 is equal to 4.44 F phi max N1, first equation. Similarly for secondary side, we will get E2 is equal to 4.44 F phi max N2. When in the case of ideal transformer on no load condition, we have V1 is equal to E1 and V2 is equal to E2. Now further when we move, we have to find voltage transformation ratio, which is represented by symbol K. The transformation ratio is defined as the ratio of the secondary voltage to primary voltage. It is denoted by the letter K. From equation first and second, we will get E2 by E1 is equal to N2 by N1 is equal to K. It represents if N2 is greater than N1, that means K is greater than 1, then transformer is called step up transformer. And if N2 is less than N1, that means K is less than 1, then transformer is called step down transformer. Again, for an ideal transformer, input is equal to output, that means V1 I1 is equal to V2 I2 or E1 I1 is equal to E2 I2. I2 by I1 is equal to E1 by E2 is equal to N1 by N2 is equal to 1 by K. That means primary and secondary current are inversely proportional to their respective turns. Now we will move towards some numerical problems. First, a 40 kVA single phase transformer has 400 turns on the primary and 100 turns on the secondary. The primary is connected to 2000 volt 50 Hz supply. Determine first the secondary voltage on open circuit, second the current flowing through the two winding on full load, and third the maximum value of flux. Now we have to find what is given in the question and what we have to find. First, rating is given 40 kVA, primary turns N1 is given 400, secondary turn N2 is given 100, and primary induced voltage E1 is equal to V1 is given 2000 volt. First, we have to find secondary voltage on open circuit V2. Using the relation E2 by E1 is equal to N2 by N1, here we have to find E2 or V2. So E2 is equal to E1 multiplication N2 by N1. We have got the value of E1 N2 N1 from question. We have to just put it on the equation. We will find E2 is equal to 500 volt. Secondly, we have to find primary current I1 and secondary current I2. Primary current I1 can be find I1 is equal to KVA multiplication 1000 by V1 is equal to 40 by 2000 multiplication 1000. We will get 20 ampere as I1, and similarly for I2 is equal to KVA multiplication 1000 by V2. We will get 80 ampere. Thirdly, we have to find maximum value of flux phi max using EMF equation that we have found in the derivation portion. E1 is equal to 4.44 F phi max N1. Here we have E1, F and N1, and we have to find phi max. So when we put the value, we will get 0.0225 Weber. Weber is the unit of phi max. Then moving forward to another question. A single phase transformer is connected to a 230 volt 50 Hz supply. The net cross sectional area of the core is 60 cm square. The number of turns in the primary is 500 and in the secondary is 100. Determine first transformation ratio, second EMF induced in secondary winding, and third maximum value of flux in the core. So what we have given in the question: first N1 primary turns 500, secondly secondary turns N2 is equal to 100, primary voltage E1 is equal to V1 is equal to 230 volt, and core area which is given in centimeter, we have to convert it into meter. A is equal to 60 centimeter square. When we convert it into meter square, it will be 60 multiplication 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. Now first we have to find transformation ratio K. So from the formula we have K is equal to N2 by N1. We have value of N2 and N1. We will put it and we will get K is equal to 0.2. Secondly, we have to find maximum value of flux density B max. Using the EMF equation, E1 is equal to 4.44 phi max F N1. We will get phi max, and afterwards we will put one more equation is there in the derivation. Phi max is equal to B max multiplication A. From there we will find B max. So let's see. Phi max is equal to 230 by 4.44 multiplication 50 multiplication 500. We will get phi max is equal to 0.00207 Weber, and then we have to put it in the equation. B max is equal to phi max by A. We will get 0.345 Tesla. Tesla is the unit of maximum flux density. Third, we have to find EMF induced in secondary winding E2. Using the relation E2 by E1 is equal to N2 by N1. Here we have the value of N2, N1 and E1. When we will put it, we will get E2 is equal to 46 volt. Thank you very much.